Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about face yoga, so facial exercise, facial massage and acupressure to all help lift and tone your face, but also to help increase self-love and self-worth. So a huge part of face yoga is about how we feel on the inside. So it's not only about the techniques to help our skin look good, it's really about going deep within and helping us feel good on the inside. So we're really going to relate this to our heart chakra. So this is the energy center just in the center of the chest, often linked to the color green. So we're going to start off with that and then we're going to go into our face yoga technique. So as always, clean hands, clean face, apply your Fusion by Danielle Collins moisturizing serum, and when you are ready, just place your hands like this on your heart center. Closing your eyes, have a little smile on your face and just take a long deep breath in through your nose and a long deep breath out, and really visualizing the color green in that heart center. So really imagine it just radiating out the chest area. And as you do that, start to really feel a sense of self-love. So this isn't always easy to access, I know, but I would definitely say the more you can focus on breathing and the color green and have that smile on your face, the more you can start to access those feelings of self-love. And you can help this with an affirmation. So just say to yourself, I love myself. So even if negative thoughts come up while you do it, with your eyes closed, just simply repeat that now 3 times. I love myself. Okay, so still breathing really deeply now. Have that little smile on your face whenever you need to come back to that color green. And we're just going to take 2 fingers and just massage on the temple area. So this really helps us to connect with ourselves, really helps to reduce stress. We're stimulating a really nice acupressure point there, and it helps to give that lovely feeling of nurturing self-love. And you can go in the other direction as well. And self-love is so important when it comes to anything in our life, but particularly our face yoga. So there's no point just doing your facial exercises, but then looking in the mirror and being really self-critical. The more you can actually touch your face with that sense of being nurtured, nurturing yourself, really touching your face with that sense of that loving energy coming through your hands into your face, the better you're going to feel in your mind, and that's going to radiate out through your face. So really think about that in every time you do your face yoga. So I want you then to take those 2 fingers again and just tap up the center of the forehead. So nice and gently tapping. So again, we're stimulating acupressure points here, which help to calm the mind, reduce stress, reduce feelings of anxiety. And by tapping like this, we're also helping to soften any lines in this area, particularly if you're holding a lot of tension in your procerus muscle. So that's the muscle between the eyebrows. And if you're holding tension there, it may mean that you're causing those number 11 lines, or even those horizontal bunny lines, as they're often called, across the top of the nose. So we're helping to relax the muscle, soften lines, boost blood circulation, and also stimulate those acupressure points. And doing this with your deep breathing is going to help you feel really calm, really centered, and again, really increase those feelings of self-love. Be so grateful as you do this for the hands that you have that are able to touch your face, for the fact that you have this beautiful forehead that you're gently touching. All of this is going to help really increase those feelings of love. Okay, so then we're just going to work under our eyes. So we're doing all really gentle things today because that gentle touch is so good for self-love. Just gently pressing here. And we're pulsing, so really gentle pulsing action. And this is so lovely for helping with lymphatic drainage. So it's helping to reduce puffiness and dark circles underneath the eyes. But again, it's teaching us how when we're gentle with ourselves, because actually gentle touch here is way more effective than a deeper touch, because that lymphatic system is just right under the skin surface. But when we touch ourselves like this in a gentle, gentle way, it teaches ourselves that it's okay to be gentle with ourselves. It's okay to go slow. It's okay to be soft. So much of life we think we have to go fast. We think we have to push hard with things. We think that actually if we really keep pushing through and really just overdoing things, and that's how we're going to get to where we want to go. But this is such a nice way just to teach us that gentle touch is way more effective. So it's more effective aesthetically here, but also so much more effective for our mind and the lessons that it teaches us. Okay, beautiful. So next, let's just go on to the mouth area. So we're going to do a nice one, which many of you I'm sure have done before if you've done my techniques. We're going to go from an O shape to a smile shape and back again. And this is going to help to lift and tone your cheek area. So we're going wrapping the lips around the teeth as you do this. And as you do this, still try and visualize that lovely green color. Imagine it now filling the whole of your chest. And really start to engage in the muscles that you're working as well. You're working lots of the muscles in the cheeks. You're working the muscle that runs all the way around the mouth. You're even engaging your jaw muscle here. And as you start to engage with those muscles, feel that sense of love and gratitude for those muscles, the way they work, what they do for you, but also the gratitude and love that you're lifting and toning them. And you have these beautiful techniques to help you with that. Okay, so relaxing down when you're ready. Okay, let's do one last technique. Let's work the neck area. So we're just going to do a really simple one. We're going to tilt our head back. We're just going to pulse a little bit here on our collarbones, just guiding that lymphatic drainage, just helping any excess lymph just go down to the lymph nodes. Pulsing there, and then we're just going to take that into a facial exercise. So we're going to tilt the head back, bring the bottom lip out a little bit. Feel that big muscle at the front of the neck engaging, holding there, taking 2 deep breaths. Come back to your starting position. Let's do one more time. And then slowly come back, and that's helping to open up the whole of the front of the body. So really helping with the heart chakra. We're really engaging our throat chakra as well, which is so important when it comes to self-love. So it's really about speaking our truth and expressing ourselves in the way that we want to. So you can just actually do that once more, just 2 breaths, but I want you to visualize a little blue light around that area where your clavicle is there. And then slowly come back to your starting position, and you are all done there. So just bring your hands onto your chest again, take a lovely deep breath in and a deep breath out, and just thank yourself for this time that you've taken to really look after yourself here. For more information on face yoga, head to faceyogaexpert.com.